Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about the problems, children. That means we completed the problems related to the convex lens as well as the concave lens. Okay. Today we'll solve a problem which is given in the textbook, children. Till now, I have given the problems. All those problems are the problems which were given in the text in the reference book of CBSE Chand book, children. Okay, in the CBSE Chand book, from that book I have given the problems and we solve the problems from that book, children. That means here in the examination you may get some that sort of problems. The type of problems you will be getting in the examination, children. Okay, for that reason I have given the problems. Okay, and we have practiced the problems, children. Okay, now today, as I said, that we will solve the problems which is given in the textbook, children. Here the problem is given as example 6, children. Example 6. Here an electric lamp and a screen are placed on a table, children. An electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table in a line at a distance of 1 meter. At a distance of 1 meter. In what positions of convex lens of focal length of f is equal to 21 centimeter will be the image of a lamp be sharp? To get an image, sharp image of the lamp of focal length 21 centimeter, where the position of the convex lens should be placed, he is asking, children. Okay. Therefore, here, as the problem is given in the textbook, I am not writing the problem on the board, children. Just I am drawing the figure. Okay, this is a convex lens. Here, what is he saying? He is saying that an electric lamp is there. Okay, normally we indicate the lamp by the symbol, children. This is the symbol of the lamp. Okay, lamp is given, and here a screen is kept. Screen. A screen is placed, and here they are at a distance of 1 meter. They are at a distance of 1 meter. Okay, their distance is a 1 meter. They are at a distance of 1 meter. An electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table. Okay, in a line at a distance of 1 meter. The total distance is 1 meter. In what positions of the convex lens? Convex lens is given, children. Convex lens. Here, convex lens. Focal length is given. The focal length of convex lens is 21 centimeters. Will be the image of a lamp will be sharp. Okay, where the this image should be placed, he is asking, children. Okay, right. Now let the distance of the between the lamp. Okay, let the distance between the lamp and the screen is d, that is equal to 1 meter, children. 1 meter. Okay, next, what is he asking, children? Okay, let it be of 1 meter. Next, let us take, if this is 1 meter, which is total, this is, okay, then we are taking this as the distance from the lamp to the lens, it is x centimeter. Therefore, what is this one, children? D minus x. Here, if this is x centimeter, then what is the remaining, children? D minus x, children. Okay, now I think you got the idea. Here is asking that where at what distance the convex lens should be placed in order to get the image sharp on the screen, he is asking. Therefore, I am taking the distance between the lamp and the lens as x centimeter. Therefore, remaining total is d. Here it is x. Remaining will be d minus x, as we know. Okay, children. So here, if a total is 10 meters, let us take an example. If this is 3, what is the remaining? 10 minus 3 will be this 7 will be the same. Why? Because 3 plus 7 again will get the 10. Here x plus d minus x, we get d only, no, children. D. Okay. Therefore, for that reason I have taken this as x centimeter and the remaining as d minus x, children. Okay. Now I am using the formula. Therefore, here this is the object distance. Distance from the object to the lens is the object distance. This is the image distance. Okay. Now I am applying the length formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the length formula. Here it is a convex lens. Convex lens u is negative, children. U is negative. Convex lens u is negative, whereas the remaining are positive. B is equals to b minus x. F is equal to 21. Therefore, 1 by 21 is equals to 1 by b minus x plus 1 by x. 1 by x. But here it is minus x. Therefore, b minus x. Therefore, here it is. Okay. I think you got the idea. Now I will solve the problem here. Okay. Right. I am rubbing this one. Draw the figure. Okay. Right. Okay. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by 21 is equals to 1 by d minus x minus of minus 1 by x. That is 1 by 21 is equals to 1 by d minus x plus 1 by x. Okay, children. 1 by d minus x. Okay, 1 by 21 is equals to 1 by 1 by d minus x plus 1 by 20. Here 1 by f you write, children. Okay, 1 by f. Now here by solving this we get 1 by f is equals to LCM is d minus x into x. Okay, d minus x into x. D minus x already there. If I remain x into 1 is x plus remaining d minus x. Here we get, okay, 1 by f is equals to d by d minus x into x. Okay, children. D minus x into 1 by f is equals to d by d minus x into x. That is 1 by f is equals to d by d minus x into x, dx minus x square. Dx minus x square. That is cross multiplication. Dx minus x square is equals to fd. Cross multiplication dx minus x square is equal to fd. Therefore, here x square minus dx plus fd is equal to 0. Transposing this that side to make this as x square as positive, I am transferring that side. X square minus dx plus fd children. Okay. Okay. Therefore, here we are getting it as is equal to 0. Now, okay, as when we are having a quadratic equation, we can find the factors. That is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And what are the factors? Minus b plus or minus square root of c square minus 4ac by 2. You know this. Okay. Here a is equals to 1. B is equals to minus d. C is equal to fd. Okay, children. Therefore, here we get minus b minus of minus d plus or minus square root of b square. B square is minus d whole square minus 4 into a c by 2 into 1. Okay, children. Now again I am rubbing. We get d plus or minus square root of d square minus 4fd by 2. That is, here we know children, d is 1 meter. Here d is 1 meter. F is equal to 21 centimeter. 1 plus or minus root of d square is 1 minus 4 into 21 into 1. Okay, children. Here D is F is given as 21 centimeter, whereas D is given as 1 meter. 1 meter means here 100 centimeters. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter. 100 square. D is 100 square. Why? Because 1 meter we should make it as 100 centimeter. Convert into centimeter. Therefore, D plus or minus we get 100 plus or minus square root of 10,000 minus 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8400 by 2. Here we get 100 plus root of 10,000 minus 8400. 6 children. Here 9 minus 8, 1600. 1600 by 2. That is 100 plus root of 1600 is 40 by 2, comma 100 minus s or minus no children. Therefore minus 40 by 2. 100 plus 40 is 140 by 2, comma 100 minus 40 is 60 by 2. Therefore here we get 70, here 30. Therefore the object should be placed at a distance of 70 centimeter. Answer 70 centimeter or 30 centimeters. Okay. You observe the problem carefully, children. Observe the problem carefully and try to solve the problem, children. As I have rubbed the board 3 times. Therefore make a note of it clearly and try to solve problem. Okay. If you are having any doubts, you can contact me in the WhatsApp, children. Once again, if you want, I will make this video once again. If it is necessary, I will explain once again, children. Okay. Okay, right, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.